When you weld, protection isn't optional, it's everything. That's why Air Service offers two solutions, the AirFlow Safe and the AirFlow Safe Flip-Up. Both helmets combine advanced welding protection with an integrated PAPR system. A battery-powered unit delivers clean, filtered air directly into the helmet, protecting you from dangerous fumes. No external system needed, just full protection wherever you work. Both models are suitable for welding and grinding. The AirFlow Safe lets you switch to grinding mode instantly at the touch of a button on the helmet. The AirFlow Safe gives you maximum flexibility. Flip the visor up to inspect your weld or grind freely. And when it's down, you can still activate grinding mode digitally. With an Optical class 1111, you get perfect visibility and precision, even at low amperage. Up to 210 liters per minute airflow keeps you cool, with up to 10 hours battery life. The AirFlow Safe series. Breathe clean, see clearly, and work without limits.